Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge on CUBOT King Kong 7. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. Now click install. Now you can click open. Here you can click skip introduction and now you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. Here you can set Microsoft Edge as your default browser, or you can click not now. And now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now it asks you if you want to see notifications from this browser, but you can click not now. And your Microsoft Edge is now all set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.